Hello my dear friends, how are you all? I hope you are taking care of yourself. Today I will be teaching you about bar models from chapter number 2, that is addition and subtraction. In my last video I told you about certain terms and certain properties which we use during addition and subtraction. Now let's see what do we understand by bar model. In maths, bar models can be defined as the pictorial representation of any given number in the form of bars or boxes. It helps us to understand how a sum is required to solve. Now let me explain you bar model with the help of one given problem. Company A has 295 employees. After Company B shuts down, 148 employees from Company B join Company A. How many employees does Company A have now? So, in the given problem, we would have written number of employees in Company A 295, number of employees in Company B 148. Therefore, total number of employees 295 plus 148, that is 443. And we would have written answer as Company A has 443 employees. This we write in the word problems. We saw the same question in word problem was solved differently. We wrote the sentence which is known as statements and then we solved our problem. But in bar model we have to show the pictorial representation. Now first in bar model we have to underline the numbers given. Over here the mentioned numbers are 295 and 148. The problem says that Company A had 295 employees and Company B has 148 employees. But when Company B shuts down, these number of employees went and joined Company A. So, altogether, how many employees does Company A have now? Now we can see in our problem sum that Company A has 295 employees. So, with the help of this box or a bar, I have shown Company A has 295 employees. Now, Company B has 148 employees. When Company B shuts down, these number of employees go and join number A. So, we have 295 employees of Company A and 148 employees of Company B. So the question is, now how many employees does Company A have now? Now we can see that Company A has 295, B has 148, and when they join together, we have in total 443 employees working together in Company A. Now we will see that how we will solve the same problems in our notebooks. The problem was the Company A has 295 employees. After Company B shuts down, 148 employees from Company B join Company A. How many employees does Company A have now? Now, this is the problem. That's the first step. To read the problem, to understand the problem. Step 2 is to draw the bar models. I drew 2 bars, naming them 295 and 148. Now, third step is to solve it. As we have understood the problem that company has 295 employees and company B has 148 employees. Now these 148 employees join company A. So now we have to know all together how many employees are there in company A. So when we solve the problem, we get 295 plus 148 is equal to 443 employees. To solve any word problem, there are different steps which we have to undertake to get the answer. But what are those steps? Understand the problem. How will we understand? By reading it. We have to read the problem twice, thrice, as many times till we have understood the problem. Plan. How to plan? We have to draw bar model. After underlining the numbers given in the problem, we can draw the bar model. We can understand what the problem is telling us. Answer. Answer means which operation to operate, like addition or subtraction. Then check. Now, how will we check whether our steps are correct, whether our answer which is coming is correct? Here our add-ins are 295 and 148. And what is sum? Sum is the addition of the numbers, addition of the add-ins. So we get the sum. And what is the sum? That is 443. Children, I took smaller numbers, 3-digit numbers. Now, the same sums can be solved in similar manner when we take bigger numbers. Over here, a company A has 45,295 employees and company B has 32,148 employees. You have to remember the process is same, whether the number changes to 5-digit, 7-digit or 8 digits. You have to read, plan and solve the sums. So, in the bar model form, again, the number of employees in company A are 45,295 and company B 32,148. And when we combine them, when we add them, we get the answer 77,443. Children, now we know what is bar model. Bar model is a pictorial representation of a number in the form of bars or boxes. And when we get a given problem sum, we have to follow certain steps. And what are they? First, we have to understand the problem. How can we understand the problem? By reading the problem. Then we can mark the numbers given in the problem and what the problem is asking us. After that, we can plan by making bar models. And then we can get an answer. And finally, we can check with the problem given. Thank you, children.